Here we are this morning, and on the Lost Bridge Trail, going to Rochester. There's some roosting birds down here. I just would like to share with you all this morning, January the 23rd. 2009, and we're in high gear going down this hill here. It's kind of dark right now, so hopefully I won't hit anything. And here we're going down the hill. We have the DOT building on the left here, and the pond was on the right. Temperature is about 31 degrees. Chilly. There's a lot of wind noise, but I'll slow down here just a little bit. The old hands are getting kind of chilly. Wish I had my gloves on. Oh well. Price you pay for bird pictures. And we're coming up to the birds, which have been roosting in these trees up here. And the old hands are getting cold. They should be making a noise. I'm not sure what kind of birds they are. I believe probably starlings. Well, there you go, folks, on YouTube. Hope you enjoy the birds on the Lost Bridge Trail. Compliments of Mark Favor. Here today, January 23rd, 31 degrees, and hands like cold. Very cold. Now time to put my gloves on. Thank you very much. Bye.